Oh, we mow it. 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 Oh, that doesn't really go with this setting, does it? Why you say nothing, Nate? Sam. Sorry. Made me look bad. Shit. Welcome back to Uncharted. We are in the lands of Uncharted, Scotland, and we are about to head off into the caves of magic and wonder, and hopefully find Robin Williams hiding in a lamp someplace. Maybe that lamp. Who knows? And we will get all our wishes granted. Faux show. Shit. That's fine. Okay. Sometimes it's a bit iffy on what heights and what not heights you can jump or not. You know? You know. Anyway, let's go up here. That didn't do anything. Oh yeah, look at this. I found the secrets already. Sam, this is the place where we entered. Shit. Why didn't you say anything? You make me look bad. Hey. Okay, so I'm gonna go this way because it feels like it's the only place to be, you know? It's the place to go. It's a place where all the cool people hang out and such. Nope. Where'd the game save me at? Oh. This is the giant cave. That was that was confusing as hell.
Assholes were right next to this cave.
Yeah, but I think we're the first ones in here.
No, no. Now my socks are all soggy. God damn it. That's like the one thing I always think about in these kinds of games. Same in Tomb Raider when I was playing that one. Like every time you step into a puddle or whatever, it's like your socks are soggy. You're gonna be like miserable.
Come on, through here. But I didn't eat a big breakfast.
Creepy St. Dismas statues? Check.
Ew.
Carved stairs? Check.
Nathan, I think it's safe to say we're in a pirate cave.
You know what? No. You are wrong, and I am ashamed to have you as a brother. But let's move on. Let's try to get past this awkward moment in our lives and pretend like nothing
Is that a
happened.
door?
It sure looks like it.
Didoy, Sam. Whoa! Is that a rock? See, that's what you sound. That's you. That's what you sound like. Whoa! I'm not gonna jump down there. Oh, am I gonna have to stick my hand in there? I don't want to stick my hand in there.
Here, check this out. A little slimy. There's a handle in here or something.
Well, give it a pull.
What?
You give it a pull.
Could be a trap.
You're already in there. What's the worst that could happen?
I lose my hand?
So we'll get you a nice hook. Give it a pull.
Nice hook.
You guys.
Hey, here we go.
Don't do it. Ew. I love the brotherly, like, sibling rivalry.
Pretty
Sorta.
interesting decor.
For those who prove worthy, paradise awaits. To those who prove false, behold your grim fate.
Yeah, well, I guess Avery was a better pirate than a poet.
This isn't Avery's.
What do you mean?
Look,
It's the Rhode Island pirate.
Thomas too.
Yeah, but it can't be him. I mean, this is clearly his sigil, but two died attacking the same treasure fleet as Avery.
Yeah, well, at least that's what the stories tell us.
If this really is Two's mark, then that means he's involved in all of this. How?
Oh.
That's a damn good question.
I mean, I thought that was a kind of neat poem.
So who do you think these guys are?
Those who prove false, I guess. I think Avery or Thomas too were just trying to scare us.
Good thing we're jaded treasure hunters.
Good thing.
Hey Sam, I'd like to see you do better. You can't, cause I wiped my slime on your sweater. I mean, okay, it's a jacket and it didn't really make sense, but it did rhyme. Good lord. This looks like a place where if you go in here, you slide. Okay, I'm just gonna poke around here for a bit. Poke. Well, that was fun. Okay, moving on. God, oh, okay. Hey Sam, check this place out. Neat, eh? Neat, eh? God damn it, Sam. I tried to impress you. What you do?
Bridge looks about as safe as the others.
Well, it's held up this long.
Ooh.
Famous last words.
I found a treasure. I did. I really did. I actually, truly, and surely did. That's a nice treasure. If I... What the hell did you do with that? Oh! Is it a... Is it a gun with a... It's a gun with a light on it. But old? Yeah, that's nice. I like it. Anyway, Sam, you had no idea what you're missing out on. Hey, hey. He looks like a freaking construction worker. Like, oh yeah, that'll be good. Yeah, we'll put a 2x4-inch beam right here, and then like a skylight over there. Oh, that'll be good. Yeah, I'm gonna push you off, Sam. Oh, I saved you. Anyway. Shit.
It's okay, it's holding. Come on.
These bridges are clearly not built to code.
Sure they are.
Pirate code.
Pirate code.
Not bad.
Thanks. God damn it, dude.
Oh no. I still have rocks in my shoes from the last 10 slides.
Yeah, well, I still have rocks in my colon, so, you know, could be worse. Let's go.
Okay.
Okay, over here. Yep, there we go. Oh,
I'm a pro at this by now.
yeah. Stick that up your butt and sniff it.
So, did two build this place with Avery? I can't make sense of it.
Neither can I. I mean, if Avery's trying to hide his treasure, why involve another pirate?
Maybe he saw him as a part of his crew. Maybe he sent him one of those St. Dismas crosses.
Yeah, maybe two took all the treasure for himself.
Maybe they're BFFs.
We're gonna find out soon enough.
Maybe they're butt pirates. That's the whole thing. The butt pirates' treasure. That'd be cool twist, wouldn't it? Sorry, Jesus. Anyway, let's check out this place, eh? Ooh, this is a nice place. Uh-oh. I smell a puzzle. I smell... shit!
Well, we're not going back that way.
At least we didn't get dropped in a pit or something.
A pixel pit. Sam, you know. What the hell, dude?
This is elaborate.
You could say that.
Okay. What do I... Oh, hey, look at this dude. He was not
Another
worthy.
switch. Careful.
See, that's why you don't shove your hand in holes.
Yeah, I'm just gonna take the hand out.
Ooh.
Jesus. It's a pretty elaborate test.
It's a bucket.
Trial?
Yeah. When this guy clearly failed.
Then let's do better. There's something on the bottom there.
It's a bucket.
Yeah, it's a bucket test. Like a bucket
Okay.
list. But a test.
Now what?
Well, you put this on your head. And then I'll tell you what's next. Oh, I see. Yeah. I thought I spotted a little pond. A little lake. Jesus. Do I have to go into that? Oh, come on. My socks.
Bucket filled.
All right, pass it up to me.
Oh, okay. Oh, that's neat. Yeah, because I couldn't climb with this. Here you go. Careful. It's precious water. Save it, okay? For a rainy day.
Put it back in that big wheel thingy.
Okay, you do that. Can I get back up? Oh, hey. Don't solve the puzzle without me. I want to see.
All right, let's see what these wheels do. Okay, I think I see what's going on here.
Something with the 3 crosses?
Yeah, I'm guessing we're looking at Jesus, our good thief Dismas, and the jerk thief Gestus.
I'm gonna figure the white cross is Dismas.
So the black one is Gestus.
Cool. I'll just hang here. Have fun, you guys. Okay, so white, black, and the other one on top. Oh, I see. I see what's going on. So if I turn, yeah, okay. So I turn these and then the, okay, I see. So, no, other way. So I need the, wait, so I need the white one there. Yes, and then I need to turn, okay, so let's turn this one. Let's see, if I do, yeah. So if I do that, and then I'll turn, wait, how do I turn the topmost? Okay, so I'll turn this one, like so. That should be good, and then I'll just...
them move when you put the bucket on top.
There's a channel running from the mechanism to the door.
Oh.
Okay, so bucket on top is good. Keep it there.
Bucket on top is good. Duly noted. But I should just be able to turn this once, right? And then it's good. Shoop!
Okay, that's gotta be it.
Yeah!
Let's find out.
Let's? So you're gonna pull the switch?
Oh, no. I'd hate to deprive you of that privilege.
Gee, thanks. Freaking easy peasy, dude. Okay. I mean, look, here's what you do with these switches, right? When you put your hand in, you bring a piece of rope with you, you loop it around the thing that's in there, you pull it with you back out, and then you pull the rope. So if it smashes down on your hand, it doesn't. It just smashes down on the rope. God damn it, Nate. Jesus. Thought you were seasoned. Oh, don't make me do it.
Nathan, look. I think you got it.
Oh.
All right, see? No shishkinates, no Nate kebabs today.
Shish
So,
Nate.
if that was a test, what do you suppose it was testing exactly? Filling a bucket?
I had to know about St. Dismas, whom I bet Avery and all of his crew were intimately familiar with.
Not that hard of a test.
Maybe it's not the only one.
Oh, that's cool. I haven't been looking at these really. Okay, yeah, I remember that one. The moon was said to be blah 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 blah. Why would you? Okay, death traps. Yeah, I know that one. Ooh, oh yeah, that one. For those who were the grim fate. That's the poem. And then the what? What reaching into that thing felt like. A brain eye cat. Sure, that one. Anyone can relate to a brain eye cat. Anyway, let's move on, shall we? Left or right? Which way do you want to go? I'm feeling that left is not right, because right is. Yay! I did it. Ooh! Hey-ho! Did you hear that? It made like a whoosh noise in the music. I thought I found like a secret path. Hi-yo! Jesus. What? What'd you... Oh! Hey, it's raining Sam. Where'd you want me to go? Why'd you want me to go up the... Okay, I see. Because I can't not... Excuse me. Shoop! There too. Scooby-Dooby-Doo! Hey, yeah, it did. Okay, cool. Oh, Jesus. Careful. This is...
Okay. I'm guessing we need to get up to that broken bridge.
Probably. Hey, boost us!
Hey, come here. I'll boost you up there.
Coming.
One of the great things with all of the Uncharted games, as I remember them, I haven't played the other ones since, each of them...
I got something for you up here.
Really?
Use this to reach those handholds on the wall over there.
Is there a puppy?
Good call.
So yeah, the thing with the other games... Oh, I see, thank you. Even though it's fairly linear, right, and you can only go the path you're supposed to go, it does still, to me, feel like you're exploring, because it feels like you're going your own way, but the game is so good at directing you where to go. It feels like you're making your own choices, but you're making the choices the game wants you to. It's really well designed from that standpoint, I think.
They're not making this easy, are they?
I imagine it was easier when all the bridges and walkways weren't broken.
Yeah.
I guess we're a couple hundred years late.
Lol.
See
Aren't
what's
we
in
the best
here.
of chums? Yup. Ooh, look at this. It's like ancient James Bond. Ba 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 ba.
There's a low ceiling here. Watch it. Ow!
Watch my
See some light through here.
Yeah, I see a secret. Here. Follow the rats. Come on, little rats. Come on, rats. Oh, God. Whatever. I don't give a rat's ass.
Catacombs.
I know,
That
right?
makes sense. We're under a cathedral.
Ooh. Ooh. Oh, I see. Yup. Dude, this place is so cool. I would never dare to go into one of these places in like real life. Like crawling through that space. What if it, when you got in there, caved in and then there wasn't an exit? Dude, that's like the one like phobia I have. It's like tight spaces. Not like an elevator or something like stupid. But if it's like, like a cave or whatever.
Hold on. What? Listen.
Anything noteworthy by the dormitories?
Not unless you count some cleverly worded
It's
heads.
beautiful hair lady.
Have you finished digging by the chapter house?
We have, ma'am. The northwest sites are wide open as well.
And what about the southern perimeter?
Not yet. It'll take us a day to move the crane over there.
Nadine,
Make it happen. In the meantime, see what you can dig up without it.
I'll send a couple of men over right away.
Good. Rafe, any luck with those manuscripts?
Manuscripts.
we have a minute.
She talk funny sometimes.
Keep me updated.
Yes, ma'am.
And get a haircut. Good lord. Anyway, love you. Bye.
Did you hear? They found a whole annexed area under the cathedral.
I did. Have you seen it?
No? Why?
Because there wasn't much left after they'd finished finding it.
My men have been a bit liberal with the
They were like
dynamite.
100 well-armed bulls in a china shop.
But they've made more progress in 2 days than we've made in months.
Progress. I can't analyze rubble.
Look at the hair. So good.
Okay.
Thank you.
I'll let them know they need to give you a heads up before they do anything drastic.
Or you can tell them to sit tight until I analyze the few clues that haven't been blown up.
No, we can't sit around waiting any longer.
All due respect, I think I have a bit more experience with this sort of thing than you do.
We tried things your way.
Bullshit. You've been wanting to level this place ever since we got here.
No, I wanted to steal that cross long before it ever even made it to that auction. The same auction where I couldn't have my men around to deal with any surprises.
The auction was the cleanest way
But
to get the
instead of
cross.
going with my gut, I listened to you. And now we have competition.
Well, I didn't think he'd show up.
Or maybe you wanted to draw him out.
Why the hell would I do that?
Because you think you need him. And maybe you do. Point is, I'm done trying to do things the clean way. If the treasure is here, we'll find it. And if not, well... maybe it's time to move on, huh?
Maybe your hair was the treasure all along.
Hey. It's not personal.
Of course.
I'll let you know if anything turns up.
Oh. Deep breath. Count to 10.
Let's get moving before they blow that treasure to bits.
Oh, stop making out.
Wait. You think she was right, though? About what?
About Rafe wanting to draw you out.
As long as he doesn't get the upper hand, who cares? Doesn't matter.
Just a quick side note though. How is that gun attached to Nate's back? Oh, he does have a little strap.
What annexed area you suppose they were talking about?
There's got to be some side chamber because we're the only ones here.
I was gonna say, because it looked like it's just like sticky taped. But he does actually have a little strap, so I guess it's fine. Oh, I see. Down. Down we go. Ooh. This place is so cool. If there's like tours of real places like this, I would go on one of them in a heartbeat. Awesome. So cool. So cool. What's in here? Oh no, you fell over. Sad times.
Don't mind me.
Ooh. Nice. Anyway, phew. Sorry, it was just, you know, finding stuff for Elena. Elena! I think we should call her, no? Okay, Nate, you've already messed up. Here's what you do. You call Elena, you say, Elena, sorry, I didn't want to, like, scare you before I knew what was going on, but I'm not on the Malaysia job. I'm actually in Scotland, and we do crazy shit over here. You could come if you want to, like, it's cool. And it's all sorted, right? That's what you do. Oh, hey, look at this. Oh, I thought it was a secret cave, but it wasn't. It was just death.
A little too high to jump up there unless you got a trampoline.
Left it in my backyard.
And down. Wait, do you have a trampoline?
I wish.
I wish. I do wish. Treasure! How the hell treasure that do I get to? I mean, those words, just not that order. Okay, fine. What are you doing? This again? I mean, I guess it's like their only choice. Oh, I see. Oh, that's nice. There's a little crevice, little hole, little thing for. Oh shit. Okay, maybe go down a little bit more. There you go. Does it actually rub up? It does actually rub up against the. That's amazing. This game, man. The details. Shit. That was fun. See you later, Nate. Sam. I'm doing the thing my mom does. Like saying the wrong sibling's name when she's
Hang on.
calling for people.
Oh, look at you.
Oh. It wasn't a treasure.
One crate coming up.
I thank you, good sir.
You're very welcome. Thank you for ordering from Nate Incorporated. I am gonna go here. Help! Gee, thanks for moving it all the way over here also, Sam. You're a real help, buddy. Boost? Boost? No boost. Ooh.
Well, we're definitely getting closer to the cathedral.
Oh, what's left of it?
Oh, yeah, I know, right?
Gotta say, this is far more sophisticated than I was expecting.
Wait.
Too.
What's the other way?
Taking years to build.
Spared
Must
no
have, yeah.
expense to hide 400 million bucks.
Oh, that's the way we jumped. Okay, I see. We've been there. Doopy doo. Ba da ba da ba ba. La la la. Ha. I love that little thing they do with the lights. Because, like, one of the things you look for when you design a character or you do, like, well, anything graphically, is look for a good silhouette, right? And if that light wasn't there, which it didn't have to be, they could just be, like, you know, dark and soft light. But that just frames this archway really cool. Gives it a nice contrasting against the background. Stuff like that, man.
Bridge is out. Gotta find another way across.
No shit. Oh, I see. This thing.
Here goes nothing.
Do I pull it? I can't swing from that, can I? I would not trust it. I'm gonna try to just... It actually does seem heavy. Okay, I didn't write a will, so... If I die, burn my things! Ow. Oh hey, it did work.
Good thing you're not heavier than the crate.
I was gonna say, yeah.
Okay, we can hook our ropes onto this.
That'll work.
Bonk. A little bit awkward, but sure. So where do we put it? Oh, I see. It's a little outcropping. And then we swing to the other side of the bridge. Can we do it? Yes, we can. Nope, that's good. Yo. And Kalamazoo! What? Well, okay. What is it? I'm busy being dead. I love it when Nate just splats into the wall like a fly on a windshield. It's good fun, you know. It's good, clean fun for the whole family. Anyway. Yeah.
Who needs bridges?
Oh, no, I wouldn't mind bridges, per se.
That's a bit mean. He did a good job in like the Tron and like, I don't know, Big Lebowski. That's a good one.
Well, can't go through there.
So how do we get through?
Over here.
Okay. Now we go. What?
If this place wasn't completely falling apart, we'd probably be trapped again.
Oh, I see.
Nathan, look around you.
Holy crap. This must have been another test, but it all just crumbled into the ocean.
Well, I guess the test now is, how the hell do we get to the other side?
That's really cool, though. How they like actually like just as if it was a test that just got broken. It's nice. What's this?
What's this?
I know. That's what I said. Copycat. I can't read that. Let it be known that I, Thomas Howard, captain of the Dauntless, am a gullible fool. It started with a cross, a cryptic message from my old compatriot with a vague promise of paradise. I was skeptical, but the thought of living the remainder of my days at home, wondering what might have been, was too much to bear. And one does not ignore a letter from the King of Pirates. Spelled really weirdly. Hey, I survived being marooned off the coast of Madagascar. I survived the attack of the East Indiaman, Pembroke. But I will not survive this. My leg is broken, and my crew, too cowardly to set foot in these damned caverns, cannot hear my call for help. Who could have imagined my deeds would bring me here to die an ignoble death, so far from home? May God himself curse you, Henry Avery, and may my ghost haunt you for the rest of your days. Yes, quite. Anyway, it was fun. Look at the skeleton. Hang on. Can I wonder if I can do this. Oh, should I? Yes. There's your Instagram shot, or your postcard, or the thumbnail of the video. Whatever you want. Wish you were here. That's awesome. Amazing. Anyway, yes, I want to exit photo mode. Let's turn that off as well, just in case. Well, that was fun. Man, I love these little moments we have together. Anyway, let's go here.
That
Why
really
not?
safe-looking wooden seesaw thing might do the trick.
Worth a shot.
Wouldn't who what? Wouldn't where now? Wouldn't see what? I'm gonna just trust you on that. Oh, this one.
Well,
Yeah,
here goes
maybe.
nothing.
Shoot. Oh, of course. Shit. Go, 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 go. Well, that's not gonna work. It'll just saw down.
Nathan, stop!
I know.
You're too low.
Oh, okay. So if you see and I'll saw. Get on it, buddy.
Come up back to this side. I'll weigh it down.
Good. Oh, shit. Okay, you ready? I'm going for it. I did it.
Made it!
All right.
That was fun.
Now, what about me?
Yeah, I was gonna say, yeah.
Just let me look around.
Cool. I'll just hang out here. Check out all that machinery.
It's cool, eh?
It really makes you appreciate everything that goes into making one of these death traps.
Don't be glib.
What's being glib? This is a marvel of human engineering. Any luck?
Shit, it's like,
Yeah, give me a sec.
going the wrong way on an escalator. This'll do, eh? Oh yeah, we
Okay,
can
I
weigh
found
you
something
down.
to weigh down the seesaw. Excellent.
Thanks. I love how the game designers. No.
Heavier than I am. I don't know about that. Yeah.
I like how the game designers keep patting themselves on the backs as well. Like, this is a marvel of human engineering.
Hey,
Nice one.
nice airtime.
That was cool. I want to do that.
Oh, crap.
Uh-oh. Oh no, why? Why? As soon as I touch anything, Jesus.
I got you. There, thanks. There's another test down.
At
Dude.
this point, I'd rather take another death trap.
At this point, I hope we're at the end of this thing. Come on.
Criminy, dude. Remind me not to have kids. Good lord. I lay a finger on him at the hospital. Boop. Nope. Broken head.
Okay, getting a bit dramatic with the statues here.
Seriously.
Whoa.
Why decorate a treasure burial site?
Or build elaborate tests. I mean, either we're missing something, or Avery was really, really bored.
Yeah, I know, right? Oh, another one. Look, this one's gonna eat my hand. Don't eat my hand. Just do the rope thing that I mentioned before. It's much more You know what I want to do? I want to... Nah.
Ugh. I'll never get used to this.
It's another cross.
Oh. Don't touch it.
At least this one has some jewels on it, right?
No, no,
Whoa,
no, no,
don't
no, no.
Touch it.
What? Why?
Look at it. It's the only valuable thing we've seen in this cave.
Right.
This is another test.
Agreed.
Yeah. Or lack thereof.
Okay, so...
It's gotta be the coins.
Are we sure about this?
Pretty sure.
Pretty sure we'll have to do.
Just one now.
Agreed. I got it.
How does it know?
Please don't be a trap.
How does it know? Does someone just show up and refill it with coins as well? Whoa, 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 whoa.
You recognize the shape?
It's Madagascar.
Look. Star right here.
It's Kings Bay.
Yes, it is.
Son of a bitch. He's screwing with us.
What are you talking about?
Avery, he's screwing with us. This was supposed to be it, so where's the goddamn treasure, huh? I mean, Kings Bay, great. Well, what's next? North Pole? Outer space? Nathan.
Well, it's never that easy, dude.
For those who prove worthy, paradise awaits. He was recruiting.
who was recruiting?
Avery was recruiting.
Recruiting for what?
Oh,
Ah, crap.
You gentlemen are very, very noisy.
you're one to talk.
Guns on the floor. Slowly.
I don't have a gun. Shh,
So
hey,
they
no.
learned from last time.
Throwing me out a window didn't do it for you?
Rafe. Rafe, come in.
I'm at the graveyard. Nadine, hey, we're here.
Yeah, I'm looking at them right now.
Oh, the trap.
Where are you?
Come back to the cathedral. Follow the holes.
I'm on my way. And for God's sakes, don't shoot him yet.
Not want to hurry then.
Trigger the trap, trigger the trap, trigger the trap. Trigger it. Throw your hook at it.
Kings Bay.
Yeah, but, where in Kings Bay? You'll need that cross over there to figure it out, but there's only 2 people that can tell you how to use it.
Let me guess. You two.
I'll leave it to Rafe. You're gonna be waiting a long time.
Sorry, boys. I'm not here to negotiate. Bring me the crucifix.
Ooh.
It's not a crucifix.
What?
Well, technically, a crucifix refers to a cross that... You know what? Never mind.
Don't touch it!
He really just went flying, did he? But I don't have a gun! Ooh. Shit, shit, shit. Help, 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 help. No. Okay. This isn't fair. I don't have a gun. Okay, okay, I can do this though. Dude, guns are for... Yeah, I'm working on it.
That's my chance.
This is really cool though, how everything's breaking and moving as I do it. Yes! Gun. Nice. Nice. Sorry. Oops. No.
What's the plan?
Up here?
Working on it. Come on, you ready?
Oh, oh.
We gotta go up to get out.
I see. Yeah. I'm doing it. I'm doing it. Can I... Do we take out these people or do we go?
Maybe get up there.
All right, let's try it then.
Here we go.
It feels like there's people shooting up here, but maybe that's not an issue.
No.
Oh, come on.
That works. Hey, Sam! Coming!
Shit. No. Don't do it. You punk ass sucker. Thanks, Sam. Jesus. Got my back, buddy. Hey, ho, whoppa, doobadoo. That was fun.
Man,
Are you done?
we really kicked the hornet's nest, didn't we? Didn't set it on fire.
Thought you were dead. Are you done? What are you doing? Don't play with your food, dude. Ooh, hey, dynamites. La 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 dynamite. I know that. Ooh, I know that was a bit excessive because there was a red barrel, but still, it was fun. No, this guy, of course. I took one dynamite. Why didn't I bring all of them? God damn it! Shit. Oops. Well, that could work, but no. Stop aiming at it. Jesus. The snapping. I have the snapping at 1. Look at that. How is that 1? Stop. God, stop it. Oh, shit. Do the thing. Yeah. Sam, be careful, dude. Okay, I'm gonna do this. Watch out. Sam. Holy crap. Sam, don't come in here. I'm gonna do this.
Look out! Dynamite!
Well, I mean, you kind of suck.
God damn it, Nate. I can hear the fireworks from here. What the hell's going on?
Long story. Short version is get us the hell out of here.
Yeah, figured. Hold tight. Be there as soon as I can.
I mean, don't worry about it. Nothing major. Just, I dropped my firecrackers. We don't need to worry him. He's an old man. Ha ha ha.
What's the turret?
What the? What? Just shit.
Gotta take that thing out!
I'm working on it. Dynamite up there. Well, that maybe. Yeah. What the hell? How did that not get him? There you go. Good lord.
That's it! Let's keep moving!
Is it me or is the gun, the automatic, not as powerful as the handgun? It feels like it takes 5 bullets with the automatic, but 3 with the
Oh shit, Sam, sniper!
handgun. Sniper? The hell? No one told me there was gonna be snipers. Shit! Scooby-Doo! Ha 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 ha! Ooh, ooh. Yeah. A sniper for me. Sorry. Except I'm not. Okay. This is intense. Holy crap. Woohoo! Sniper. Up, 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 up. Whoop, sorry. My bad. Jesus Christ, how many are there? Run out already. Where are we going?
Keep running. Don't stop.
I won't. Oh, Sully!
It always is for you.
Shit.
Oh,
Nice shot.
kind of. Yeah. Yes.
Do we slide?
Yes, definitely.
Woohoo! Good lord. This is a shootout if I ever saw one. And I did. Just now. Who? Sam? Oh, I see. Oh, nice. That was fun. Where are you? Oh, I see. Oh, 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 where are we? How do we know? We have a lot of faith in Mother Nature, I gotta say. Where'd he go? Shit! Shit! I'm dead! I mean, technically I shouldn't be because there was an ocean there, but...
Boys, they're shooting at my plane. Hurry the hell up or your rag's gonna sink.
I'm trying my best, Dad. Oh, 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 hey. No worries. We've done this so many times now. Okay, I'm just gonna screw these guys. Where do I go? I mean, don't take that out of context, but, you know.
Here we go.
Yeah, here we go. This is, oh yeah, plane. Nah, this would be awesome.
That was a close one, huh?
Whee, I'm sweaty.
They shot up my goddamn plane, mate.
We're fine, thanks.
How soon can you get us to Madagascar?
No treasure, then.
Not yet.
I don't know what you're talking about. Look, we're rich.
Jesus. Suppose it's a start. You think the rest is in Madagascar?
Well, there was a chamber back there with a giant map of Madagascar on the floor, so... yeah, it's probably there.
This is beginning to smell a whole lot like Wild Goose, kid.
Look, the treasure was never in Scotland, okay?
Then what was the point of all that, huh? Of the St. Dismas
Look,
cross?
it's like I said. I think Avery was recruiting people. The cross was an invitation. The caves were just some sort of initiation.
Oh, so we all passed, huh? Congrats, Victor. We get eye patches and parrots now.
I don't get it. Why the hell would they go to all that bother just to weed people out?
To protect himself. Look, Avery was the most wanted man in the world at that time. He had to enlist people that he could trust in order to keep their treasure secret.
What do you mean, their treasure?
The dude.
Just think about this. Thomas Tew was a successful pirate in his own right.
Yeah.
What would he possibly stand to gain from joining Avery? I think Avery sent out crosses only to the other wealthy pirates like himself. What if they pooled and hid all their treasure together?
That would make the Gunsway all look like chump change.
Exactly.
Oh, holy shit. Okay, so where exactly in Madagascar are we going?
Kings Bay. It was an old pirate haven back in Avery's time.
I know it well. It's a big place. Anything more specific?
Well, that map chamber completely caved in, so, you know. What are you laughing about?
The people who survived the caves. The recruits. What's the one thing they would have left with?
The coin. We buy a boat with the coin. Oh.
There's a volcano on this.
And there's a volcano near Kings Bay. Which means we need to get a move on.
Valar Morghulis. Yeah. Ah, cool. Well, I think that's a good place to pause it. So I'm gonna say thank you for watching and stay tuned for more of Sony product placement if you are into that sort of stuff. See you next time. Bye.